Good morning. I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're here to do another family recipe, and we're going to do a meatloaf. Now there's lots and lots of ways to make a meatloaf, and even our family has 2 or 3 different ways to make it. I have preheated the oven to 350 degrees. Okay. We're going to spray our meatloaf pan. The reason that I like to use this, the top has holes in it, and it drains all that fat off of it, and it doesn't have to bake in it, so I like to use that. But we'll spray that and set it aside. Okay, we're going to mix up 2 eggs, and they're at room temperature. Three-fourths cup of milk, 2/3 cup of crushed saltine crackers. The way I crush up those crackers, I put them in a Ziploc bag, and you can just take a rolling pin and just roll over them, and see, it crushes them real good, and it's something you can do fast. I'm going to mix this egg and milk up, crackers in it. We added 2/3 cup of crushed crackers. Just your saltine crackers is what we used. Have 1/2 cup of onion, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of sage, which a lot of times you don't see sage in meatloaf. Just a dash of pepper, and we'll mix all that up together. Add 1.5 pounds of ground beef. Now we have 2 pounds here, and I'm just going to guess it, putting half of this back. The rest of it we'll put in here. I'm just going to crumble this up by hand. We'll probably have to get into it with our hand anyway. You can't get it mixed up right if you don't. I tried to get a ground beef. It was real lean too, and it won't have so much fat in it. I think that's mixed up pretty good. We'll get our loaf pan now. I like using this little loaf pan. Like I told you, it will keep the grease drained off of it. We just pat that down. We're going to cook this on a 350 degree oven, and it usually cooks between 50 and 60 minutes, so you might want to kind of check it at 50 minutes and see how it does. We're fixing a topping for it, so we're going to start off with 1 cup of ketchup, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. You can put some of it in there before you bake it, and then save some and use it on top of it after it's baked if you want to. We're going to use about 3/4 of this on top of this. Now we're going to save the rest of it, and we can use it later to put on it. Okay, this is ready for the oven now. Now we're ready to take our meatloaf out. It's all finished. I just wanted you to see how pretty it looks, see, inside. We've got our little extra sauce over here that you can serve on the side. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you cook this meatloaf and try it and enjoy it as much as we do. Thanks for watching, and I hope I see you on another family video. Thanks a lot. I would like to thank all of my friends and neighbors who've been so complimentary of me sharing our family recipes with them. Thanks a lot.